that's ugly, isn't it? Don't take very good photos.
You don't?
No, us.
How dare you? Yeah, we don't.
A bit blurry, but it's only for my streaks anyway.
So guys, today we are going to that wall thing and the zoo. We decided to walk down, all the way down that way, so that we kind of, there's things to see on the way, and then we'll just get a bus back at the end, because it's bloody boiling today.
I try and tell myself that time's not cold, 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 but I know deep down that fortune favors the bold, bold, bold. Back in this old town with my old friends, but you gotta come around, 'cause I've been looking for you to show me something right now. Don't leave, it won't cost a thing. 2 shots till I'm off the rocker. Don't stop when you start to swing. Young dreams are left in my locker, 'cause we're grown.
This is what I'm stuck with. What are you doing? Why'd you bring your jacket? It's too hot. So it's 24 degrees here, as I said, which is amazing because it's not freezing, but cold in England, and we're just chilling here in the heat. Yes, nod from the yes.
Yeah. No, you made me smarter, now I'm on my own. When you're by my side, I feel I'm at home. You give me shelter to last through the storm. Stay by my side in the night till I'm warm. Now lately, you can't be found. Did you leave me shattered on the ground?
Hey guys, so we are currently in the big kind of park area of Berlin, and we found this nice little cafe bit. We've been walking for ages. It's like huge. The zoo, which we're gonna go to, is like just over there. We'll only have like a couple of hours, but it should be alright. Katie's currently in there somewhere buying food. Not much else to say. It's really warm. It's weird because it's like none of the trees have like blossomed yet, so it's like, it looks like winter, but it's not.
I've got 3 knives by accident.
3?
Yeah, I don't know why. Man phrase it what? Hang.
Hang.
Oh, that was so speedy. That man was like, I recognise your accent. We were having an argument to the other man. He was like, I'm having an argument of where he won't believe me that I know where you're from. He's like, where are you from? I was like, England. He was like, sorry, what did you say? Can you aim it at that man? I was like, England.
Oh really?
Yeah. Cute little man.
Cute little man.
He had a little moustache.
Aww. I'm Mr. Vulture.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Vulture. So we're not currently in the zoo, we're just walking towards it, but then we're parallel to it. That was a sneeze, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Mr. Dog?
Oh, look at that ears.
Mr. Coyote dude?
Nah, they're not.
Dingo? Are they the ones that do like, that do laughs?
Yeah.
What are they called?
Hyena.
Oh, is it a hyena?
They're not hyenas.
You sure it's not a hyena? Oh no, hyenas are ugly as shit, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's like elephant like you.
Yeah, that's me.
Ah, it's a bird. I mean, there's elephants over there, but I'm concentrating on the bird. Getting some good shots. Shot for the children. What's that? An otter or some shit?
Yeah, that's a baby.
What do you mean 2 of them? There's 4 of them.
Where?
2 at the bottom.
Oh shit, I didn't see them.
You unobservant shit. See the backside of an elephant. I don't mean yours. She just crashed. Don't call him a naughty boy. He's just a bit cocky. Get it?
Pigeons.
Who would keep pigeons in a cage? That is so cute. Oh my god, that's so fluffy. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that one.
So fluffy.
So fluffy, I'm good.
Yeah, I was about to say that quote. He's like, look at me, I went to the gym once. Now I'm a beast. Fuck me, Jerry. Oh, it's a man, you see his bollocks. And his knob end. He's circumcised,
They try and
I think.
keep men. Because then if they can find a woman, they can breed them.
And just stick his penis in hers. Right, mate.
Whoa, how are there so many?
They stink. That's how you smelled this morning.
Well, let's just say these kind of animals won't ever go extinct. They can breed.
It's like
them.
rabbits as well.
Yeah.
That's from Hungry Panda. Yeah.
He must have just
What
got
are you
fed.
doing? No. Put it in the thing. On the triangle, yeah. like me in the shower. Just gonna make myself feel nice. Oh, he's up. He's gonna fuck it. He's doing a little show. He's showing a. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, they're having. Watch some. Oh my god, they're having. That's some sweet love. So guys, we've just left the zoo. I don't know how much it's gonna hear. This is quite loud. And now we're heading back to the hotel. Get cocktails or something.
Yeah, good
So we're currently at the what's it called? Berlin Wall East Side Gallery. Just looking at all the graffiti and stuff like you. Where is she? There she is. Like you do. Yeah, this is the next day, by the way. I didn't say night or morning. Did it go all through Germany? All through fucking Berlin?
Yeah. So split it into an east and a west. And this is the east side gallery.
Okay.
Because this is the east side that's still left.
I get you.
They didn't stand.
He's got a little dollar sign in it. He's got a whip or a... Yeah, it's probably a whip,
It's a
isn't it?
bomb, isn't it? No, it's a whip.
A stick of dynamite.
Yeah, that's what I said.
What's his moustache doing? Oh, what's the little white bit below the moustache?
Skin.
Pale skin.
Both.
He's had a moustache for a while, he's just shaved that bit, so he's not very tan.
Yeah.
Your boys are just raiding, pirating a ship. They've just taken a pedalo out, like these guys have over here, and just gone into abandoned ship. You cringe. You're a massive cringe. Hey guys, so it's come to the end of our trip. This is like the last day kind of thing. But we're just going to the airport in a minute. So it's been really fun. The weather's actually just got worse a bit as we're leaving. What do you think of the trip?
Sorry?
I'm tired.
It's very good.
Don't hit my camera with your shit.
Go away! Go away! Joe!
Oh.
No! Stop doing it! Stop. Do you want to leave?
Oh yeah.
To be honest, no. Get away from you? Yeah.